Hello everyone and welcome to our video on lucid dreaming. In this video, we will explore what lucid dreaming is, how it works, and its benefits. So, if you are someone who loves exploring the world of dreams, then this video is for you. Let's dive in. Lucid dreaming is a unique state of consciousness where you become aware that you are dreaming while you are still asleep. It's a phenomenon where you can control your dreams and interact with them as if they are real. The term lucid means clear or transparent, and in lucid dreaming you are fully aware of your surroundings and actions within the dream. This state of mind allows you to be creative, experience new things, and face your fears in a safe and controlled environment. The concept of lucid dreaming has been around for thousands of years and has been studied extensively by scientists and researchers. During a lucid dream, your brain is in a heightened state of awareness, and the prefrontal cortex, which is responsible for decision-making and self-awareness, is active. This means that you have control over your actions and can manipulate the dream world to your liking. Lucid dreaming has been known to increase problem-solving skills, creativity, and can even help with anxiety and depression. There are several techniques you can use to induce lucid dreaming. One of the most common techniques is reality testing, where you question your surroundings throughout the day to build a habit of questioning reality. Another technique is called wake-induced lucid dreaming, where you wake up after a few hours of sleep and then go back to sleep while maintaining a state of awareness. Lucid dreaming takes practice, but with patience and dedication, anyone can learn to control their dreams. The benefits of lucid dreaming are numerous. It's a safe and controlled way to face your fears, overcome nightmares, and gain a better understanding of yourself. Lucid dreaming has also been known to improve sleep quality, as it allows you to explore your subconscious mind and release any pent-up emotions or stress. Additionally, lucid dreaming can be a source of inspiration for artists, writers, and other creative individuals, providing a unique outlet for self-expression. In conclusion, lucid dreaming is a fascinating and powerful tool that can help us explore the depths of our subconscious mind. With its numerous benefits, it's no wonder that lucid dreaming has become increasingly popular among those interested in personal growth and self-discovery. Remember, with practice, anyone can learn to lucid dream, and the possibilities are endless. So keep exploring and keep dreaming. We hope you enjoyed this video on lucid dreaming and learned something new today. Remember to keep practicing and exploring the world of lucid dreaming. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this one.